How to fix update KB5072033 0x800f0991 error in Windows 11 25h2 or 24h2. Hello friends, follow the steps in the methods. First method, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Windows Update, turn off this setting. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Then launch services, click on Search, type Services, click on Services. On the Services window, scroll down, go to Windows Update, right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Disabled, click on Apply, click on Stop here, open File Explorer, go to C drive where Windows is installed, Windows, Software Distribution folder, delete this folder, close the window, then enable the Windows Update service. Click on this drop down for startup type and select Automatic. Click on Apply and click on Start. In the same way, go to App Readiness, right click on the service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Start, click on Apply, click on OK. For Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right click on the service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply, click on OK. Close the services window and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. The error should be fixed now. If the error code still persists, install the update after running Windows Update Repair version. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to System, click on Recovery. For fixed problems using Windows Update, click on Reinstall now, click on OK. The system will start checking for updates automatically. Windows 11 25h2 repair version will be downloaded. Wait for the download to complete. If any of the methods doesn't work, run in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser. Type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on this link. Download Windows 11. Scroll down to this section. Download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on this drop down. Select download and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. Click on Confirm for x64 device. You will need to select the product language. For this, check the language. English United States is the language. Click on the drop down and select English United States or whichever is your product language. Click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, go to File Explorer, Downloads, right click on the just downloaded ISO file, select Mount, click on Open and the Open File Security warning pop-up. Right click on this file, setup.exe and select Open. And check this box and click on Next. On this window, which says applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. Click on Install. Finally, your computer will restart multiple times and Windows 11 will be installed. Let the installation complete. The security update will be installed along with this installation. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.